So this tells us that before we connect up our circuit or before we turn it on, we have these charges that have an electrostatic force and they're hanging out in equilibrium, more or less. When we turn on our battery, the battery exerts the source force on the first charge. So I'll zoom in. So here is my little charge. We have F of S, and then this pushes a force on the next one, and so on and so on. But the charge that gets pushed by the battery is not the charge that's going to light up our light. The charge that lights up our light charges are the ones that are closest to the battery. They're hanging out here. It's this chain reaction of the electrostatic force being pushed by the source force that actually turns on the light instantaneously. That is super cool. So it's this electrostatic field that moves the current through the circuit at the speed of light. The charges themselves actually don't move that fast. Okay, so that blows my mind. That was something that I actually didn't fully understand or grasp until I was digging into the content for this video. So this is why I love teaching, is because I get to learn stuff too, and then I get to share how cool it is with other people. Yay. Okay, so I hope that you found this as interesting as I did. Please let me know if you have any questions about this content. And otherwise, I will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. And yes, I will see you next time, I hope. Bye!